As you know, this is not my profile, if you did not know. It's my friend's profile, so. Anyways. Let's got so many bronze and silver. Ooh, I know what we could do to make some money. Do a quick sell. This should give you, cause you see how many bronze trophies I have, right? Shouldn't even take that long. Let's see if I have any silvers in here. Dang, a lot of silvers. Don't forget, this is not my profile. This is my friend's profile. Open later. So we're gonna save this for a pack opening. All I know is that I'm gonna be saving this for like, who sold? First, before we continue this, we're gonna go to the auction house and see who's selling. Ooh, yeah, I sold these guys for so much. And 200 each. So now let's go back to the sets and continue what we were doing. I don't want to do the, I will save up, like, since this is my friend's profile, I'll just save up for the large quick sell because, you know. So this is, gonna do one more after this, and then we're not gonna open it. We'll finish this to the next video. So I hope that you like this. It might be a short one, but the next pack opening, I'll make sure that I get a lot of packs to open. And I just want to tell you something, that I'm gonna start with this large quick, so I'm gonna put some inside there just to make it like closer. 1 gold, and then let's find the silvers. Oh, so we're 1 little short. No, we can't be short.